Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Michigan Treasure Hunting. That's kind of a rainy day. It's about 10 o'clock, and I'm going to try to get in some land detecting this afternoon and see what I can dig up. I will check back in if I find anything good. All right, take care. Just had a target right at 4 inches, and it's a wheat penny, so I'll take it. Just dug my second wheat penny. Hunting along the water here right now, or along the sidewalk, and alrighty. Just had a target reading quarter at 4 inches, and pulled up the dirt here, and this might be silver here. Hoping. Sure looks like it. And it's a Washington. Cool. Alright, I'll take it. Awesome. Not a lot of coins. Well, I just went back to detecting. It was raining pretty hard and it stopped, so I'm down here along the road. And nice find there. Cool. See if we can get a year off that. Can't really tell right now, but you might be able to. Alright, sweet. Alright. Hey guys, I just had a nice bell tone on the Garrett. It was just reading at 4 inches. I kind of pushed the dirt up here. And I have silver. Not sure exactly what it is. Looks like a mercury dime on the back side. Cool. Second silver of the day. And the rain stopped, so that's a good sign. As I speak, I think it's starting to rain again. But anyways, cool find. Awesome. Hi everyone, I'm going to wrap my hunt up for the afternoon. I'm not sure exactly how long I was out because it was raining most of the time. I was able to get out, wait in the car for a half hour, then get back out for 15-20 minutes, then done the same thing umpteen times, and the last hour I kind of just more or less kept going in the rain. And here's my finds for today. I got a total of 31 coins, clad coins right here. You can see right here it's a muddy mess. Anyways, here's my trash finds. Nice old pull tab there. And part of a watch. And clad finds again. And I believe this is like a shell token or something like that. And the best finds are a Washington, silver Washington, a mercury dime, 2 wheat pennies, and I believe this might be silver too. It's an earring. Sure looks like it anyways. But let me try to get a close up of the finds. I don't know what year those silvers are yet, so we'll check them out together. All right. And here's the Washington. it was a fun hunt while it lasted. Definitely will get out tomorrow. I believe John, that's been in some of my videos, he's going to be up hunting with me tomorrow morning, so hopefully we can dig some more silver out here. 2 more today, so that's nice. Anyways, take care, happy hunting, best of luck on your next hunts. Take care.